Welcome to Fun and Learn with Pauline Joseph. Poem There Was a Naughty Boy, written by John Keats. John Keats is a famous English poet. He is one of the best romantic poets. He was most popular for his odes like Ode on a Grecian Urn, Ode to a Nightingale, Ode to Autumn, etc. What things do you do when you are being naughty? Let's see what the boy, the central character of this poem, does when he becomes naughty. There was a naughty boy was he. He could not stop at home, he could not quiet be. He took in a knapsack a book full of vowels, and a shirt with some towels, a slide cap for nightcap, a hairbrush comb ditto, new stockings for old ones would split. Oh, the knapsack tied at his back. He riveted close and followed his nose to the north. He followed his nose to the north. What tells us that the boy was naughty? The following lines in the poem tell us that the boy was naughty. A naughty boy was he. He would not stop at home, and he could not quiet be. What 7 things did the boy pack when he left home? The naughty boy packed in his knapsack a book full of vowels, a shirt, some towels, a slide cap, a hairbrush, a comb, and his new stockings. He would not stop at home, he could not quite be. Who is the he referred to in the lines above? Why could he not stop at home? What did he want to do instead? The boy in the above lines refers to a naughty boy. He could not stop at home because he was a naughty boy. He wanted to be out having fun all by himself. Why do you think he kept his knapsack very close to him? I think that the naughty boy kept his knapsack close to him since he had stuffed so many things in it that he was afraid it would split. Did the boy have a plan? Did he know where to go and how to get there? Which line tells you this? Yes, the naughty boy had a plan. He knew that he wanted to head in the north direction, and so he did. The following lines in the poem tell this: and followed his nose to the north, and followed his nose to the north. Do you think the boy was brave or foolish? The boy, I feel, was brave because he picked up all the necessary things that he could think of. He even packed a nightcap, which goes to show he had no fear staying alone even during the night in the dark. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share it, and press the bell icon for new notifications. Thank you once again.